Hey Gingerbread and Jelly Bean, welcome to another episode of J Vlogs. Now today I want to look at insecure men in relationship and the foolishness that they do. So in every relationship there will be partners that are insecure, whether it be female or male, probably be both partners that are insecure. But when you're in a relationship with a man, he is supposed to be responsible. He's supposed to be a role model. He's supposed to be, the strong one. Both he's supposed to be strong, but a man should be a man. So now, when you have men searching women phone, looking for things, interrogating females, that is wrong. A man should be searching female phone, looking for stuff that he didn't put there. Men, why are you doing that? Why do you want to stir up things, accusing, drawing assumptions, accusing the females of cheating and all those stuff? You're starting things. It's normally females that would look for things in men phone because knowing the nature of men, we go around and we do stupid things. But for a man to be searching a woman phone, that's wrong. Me not in that. Cut that off. Stop the foolishness. Next thing I want to look at is men searching women purses. Young man come home from work. Why are you searching her purse? What are you looking for? Did you put anything in her purse in the first place? That is my question to you. So who give you the right as a man to search a woman's purse? Didn't your mommy tell you not to search her purse? Why you keep up the bad habit? Cut it out. The next thing I want to look at is searching the woman drawer, searching her suitcase, whatever it is. Again, did you put anything in there? Even if you buy her clothes, pay her rent, whatever it is, it doesn't give you the right to be snooping around and searching like a little spy. Are you a spy? Cut out the bad habits. That is not a manly thing to do. Man no search woman things. Next thing I want to look at is men that buy woman things and take it back just because there is an argument. Man, where you gonna do the panty where you buy or where you gonna wear it? Are you going to wear the underwear that you buy for her? Why are you taking it back? You're not a man. You're a little boy, a little mama man, as we Jamaican would say. We not do that. Anything you buy for a woman, it's hers. No matter of fact, anything you buy for anyone, it's theirs. As long as you give them it, it's theirs. Regardless of whatever you and the person have, arguments, fight, whatever it is, it belongs to that person. So especially if you're with a female and you guys have an argument and you buy her stuff that don't give you the right to take it back, you're a little sissy for that. You understand? Cut out the bad habit. Cut out the foolishness. Stop being insecure. Be confident in a woman. Stop accusing her, interrogating her. You understand? Be confident in yourself and be strong and know to play your role in a relationship as a man. Man not do certain things. A picnic do them things. You know what, people? If you like this topic, tell me if you like it in the comments below. Leave your comments. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more. Post lots of mini clips on the weekend. Mini clips Mondays, Thursdays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays. Remember, J Vlogs people, check out a nice t-shirt. Nice t-shirt. If you want one, the link is below to get one of the t-shirts. There's still 3 left on sale still. You can go down in the description below and buy. Remember, give me your thoughts on this topic of insecure men. Have you experienced any insecure men in your relationship? Tell me about it and tell me the things that you did so we can discuss it in the comments below. Remember, people, subscribe for more. I'm gone later.